Well, I don't know about you guys, but I myself had needed a few repairs in my life. Whether it's my fault, someone else's fault, just time exists wearing things down like my body, for crying out loud. Things need to get repaired. And I'm with Matt today, and we're talking about things that actually move, things that actuate, and how difficult it could be to fix those components, but how important it might be to fix those components as well. But also, why would you want to do it? Like, that's one of my main questions, Matt. This can be so time consuming. This can be not super profitable, but I imagine your customers like it. Maybe that's the answer, but I'll let you expand on it. Why do you repair, first of all, before we dive into this whole area, why do you repair these difficult components?
Yeah, obviously it's all for our customers' needs and what they want out of these tools. We have to be able to service these in a timely manner, and that's the biggest reason why MAPAL has dedicated this time and resources into fixing these tools here stateside. Yeah,
I'd imagine that is key, and I would also imagine if I was a guessing man, which sometimes I make bad assumptions, if I'm a guessing man, someone who buys a complicated part like what I'm seeing sitting around, they're not buying multiples of it, are they? They're not buying 5 or 10. When they buy one of these, they are buying one of these, and they want you to fix it immediately. Is my part ready yet?
Of course, yeah. With the cost of these tools being so high because of their performance, we have to be able to service them in timely manners because machines are down, which means money's not flowing.
Ooh, one of my most stressful moments, probably everyone out there as well, when this machine goes down, whether it be something like this, whether it be the main machine spindle, whether it be the tooling components that make it operate, it is money. It's money every second, every minute, every hour, just losing money. So you dive into this. How complex is this for you? How complex is this for MAPAL? And how often do you say repairs come in for you to organize?
So we're getting repairs all the time. We try to do services regularly, yearly for most of our tools. But MAPAL has dedicated a whole competency center in Germany that I work very closely with to provide the best services here stateside, because it is such a complex tooling. Regular trainings and continuing educations is huge for these.
I'm gonna go ahead and ask a question that I think I know the answer to, but I want the audience to be a part of this as well, Matt. These components, when they're first made, I mean, we're talking precision German engineering, sometimes even one-off parts just to make it work, right?
Of course.
So when someone like you is doing a rebuild, even if the body is being used again, a lot of the inside components are brand new for anyone who does like a refurb, right?
Of course, yeah. With the way these tools work, it's all about how they fit and feel. So everything has to be reworked to within micron precision in order to achieve what our customers are asking us to achieve with them.
Well, we're spending enough time on this component, although we could probably move this a little bit just to show some actuation. We'll show that in real time later. There's a part back here I think we want to talk about as well, isn't there? Can we head back here?
Yeah, let's head on back.
So what are we looking at on this center here when it comes to, well, oh my gosh, that's kind of beautiful actually. As I get closer, see, I can tell I'm getting old because from far away it looked like some of the other ones here, and I get closer and there's so much detail to this one.
Yeah, so this tool here, it was for boring. It was actually optimized to have the 7 inserts that you see on it. It's drawbar actuated, so it'll expand and collapse with the drawbar. Every tool here that we do, after we've serviced them, we set them in the MAPAL presetter, motion them, and then make sure that when the customer gets it, we are guaranteeing first part, good part, so that way when they get this tool, it's ready to roll.
You guarantee first part good?
We can get first part, good part, specifically on these parts.
Wow, that's quite the guarantee.
Yeah.
Okay, so as we talk about repair, we know the importance, we know the difficulty of it, we know it's German engineered, we know that time is of the utmost importance and value to your customers and clients out there. Is there anything you want to summarize about this department as we close out our video? Is it that you work locally here in the US and that everything doesn't have to go overseas? You say, hey, give me a call. My name is Matt. I can fix it for you. Is that what we're trying to convey here to close this conversation out?
Yeah, really, it's the speediness of our repairs and our services, and then also why these tools were developed in the first place was for up process times. We can do multiple operations with one tool, so it's really just everything to cost save the customer.
And you guys really are unique in this whole industry when it comes to components like this. There's no one really doing what you guys do. So I think it's very important for people to understand this is the type of flexibility and creativity that MAPAL has to allow them to do something they probably never thought they could do in maybe one cut or two cuts. This is this is what happens when you combine operations.
Yeah, of course. We'll work directly with engineering teams of our machine builders and our end users, so that way when we're making something from the mind, we're creating imaginations and making it happen for them.
And how long have you been doing this?
I've been doing this for a little over a year at MAPAL now.
It sounds kind of complicated. You still like your job?
I still like my job.
Most days, right?
Most days.
I still like my job most days too, Matt. Thank you so much for your time today. You were off the hot sheet. Did you have a little bit of fun?
A little bit.
A little bit. He did not, when I'm just kidding. He loves being here. Matt, appreciate your time so much. Thank you all for watching. We appreciate your time as well.